What's baby Kirsten doing?
Outside.
Outside? She's not outside. It's cold outside.
Outside?
Mm-hmm.
But.
Huh?
Daddy, but.
Yeah?
Daddy, but.
Daddy what?
But.
Bad? What's that? Hmm?
But.
Hmm?
We fight.
Yeah?
We fight.
Wanna go?
We fight.
Yeah? Okay.
What's your name?
Baby T.
What about your sister? Who's the other one?
Who's the other baby?
Baby Daisy.
Baby Kirsten. Good job.
Yeah.
Say
Baby.
Kirsten.
Daisy.
Galing.
Baby.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Lola. Do you love baby Kirsten?
Yeah.
You love Lola too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Who else? Who else do you love?
Pluto.
Pluto.
Pluto. Who else?
Kiki.
Pinky.
Who else?
Mikey Pooh.
Monkey Boots. Who else? What about Rocky? You love Rocky?
Yeah.
How about Daddy?
Daddy.
Mm.
What about Mommy?
Mommy.
I love you too, baby.
Too.
I love you too.
Too.
You want taho?
No.
No? Come on.
No.
No more?
Want.
So you say no thank you.
No, teacher.
Okay. You want lumpia?
No.
Say no thank you.
No, teacher.
Okay. Are you full?
No.
Yummy yummy. What? What do
Rice.
you want? Rice. You want rice?
I want rice.
You want rice?
I want.
Yeah, want. Okay. I'll give you rice.
Rice.
Okay.
Pooh.
Rice. Mmm. Good.
Teacher.
Daddy didn't finish his rice.
I'm finished. Give Daddy a kiss before I go to work. Kiss Daddy. Kaylin.
Oh, you don't want any more.
It's not a kiss. I didn't want to show that on video.
Hola.
Okay, kiss Daddy now. One more kiss before I go.
Oh, shut up.
Say I love you.